carrot, orange and bright. D is for donut, take a big bite. A, B, C, let's learn and chew. Healthy, tasty, just for you. Sing along, don't be shy. Let's eat the alphabet, give it a try. E is for egg, boiled or fried. F is for fish, grilled on the side. G is for grapes, juicy and round. H is for honey, golden and sound. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jam, spread on a treat. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and small. L is for lemon, sour for all. M is for mango, soft and bright. N is for noodles, twirl left and right. O is for orange, juicy delight. P is for pizza, a cheesy bite. A, B, C, let's learn and chew. Healthy, tasty, just for you. Sing along, don't be shy. Let's eat the alphabet, give it a try. Q is for quiche, fluffy and light. R is for noodles, twirl left and right. S is for strawberry, red and sweet. T is for tomato, juicy to eat. U is for udon, noodles so long. V is for veggies, healthy and strong. W is for watermelon, juicy and bright. X is for exigua, a melon delight. Y is for yogurt, smooth and cool. Z is for zucchini, green and full. Yeah, yeah, we learned them all. A to Z, big and small. Food is fun, let's go eat. See you again for a tasty treat.